Alright guys, so we have a Oukitel C17 Pro for disassembly and for a cracked screen. And here's the phone right here. So we're going to show you the steps of how to disassemble it and do a screen replacement and have it back working back to normal like this again. Let's get to it. So we have our replacement screen for it right here. Okay, so on this one you're going to need your pry tool, and the metal case, the back cover comes off. There's a little gap right in there, very carefully. Stick that in there and just work your pry tool all the way around. And it just snaps right off. There, so you go right down the side. Hear those clips popping? Okay. Keep working. As you can see, the case is already starting to come off on it already. So it's between the black border and the careful, your buttons do come out. So using my fingernail, I find it to be a little bit easier. Alright, so you do got to be careful when you're opening this up because you do have a flex cable in there, okay? Very careful with that ribbon, it just easily. And the back cover just comes right off, okay? Alright guys, so now we got the phone on the screen facing down on the hot plate, so that way we can remove the screen on there. Let's give it a few minutes. Alright, so now we've had it on the hot plate, so now what we're going to do is we're going to separate, we're going to remove the battery out of here. I'm just going to very gently, carefully pull that out so we can get to the video cable. And then I'm just going to use my pry tool and get between the frame right here and behind it. You see it just comes right off now once it's been on the hot plate. Alright, so you do need to be careful because you see in the bottom down there there's a ribbon down there for the video cable. Very careful. Pry that right off like that. And we're just going to pry this cable here. And it's got a little film over which you need to leave for the battery. So it's very important. And here's our cable for our video. And voila, the screen is off. Here's your frame right here. So now what we're just going to do is we're just going to pick it and clean the edges on it. Make sure there's no pure pieces on there before we reglue it back down. Alright guys, so B7000 is a black adhesive that dries pretty quickly but bonds very well since the ridge is so small on here. You're going to need something like this to actually bond it down because tape is just not going to hold that. So I'm just going to spread that all the way around. Put a nice little bead all the way around the screen. Okay, so now we got a good bead on there. Let's put our cap back on. Make sure that plastic piece is pulled back again on the inside. And we're actually going to put the screen on now. Feed the ribbon cable through here. Okay. And line the screen up. Sits on here properly. Move this side right into place. You can feel it right in the groove. And so Make sure that's nice and tight. Put it back down. We're going to put our battery back in there. Okay. Alright, so now it's reverse. Put your pieces back on, put your battery on, put your back cover on, and you'll be all set. Alright. There you go, guys. Alright, guys, so there you go. Very simple, very easy to do. I'm going to put this in the press and actually press the screen down into place. I'm going to sit there for about 15 minutes, let it just cure and bond the screen on there. And then I'll come back to show you guys that it's working. You know, the pieces back on there, and another great video. So if you like, subscribe, and hit the bell down below, we appreciate it. And you see any new videos or a video that you want to see, put your comments down below, and we'll definitely get back to you and see if we can do that for you. And stay safe out there during these times, and have a great day. Alright, guys, so you can see that the phone is booting up here, and hey, there we go. We got a working phone, all back to normal. Alrighty, so there we go. So thank you for watching.